friends, welcome to my YouTube channel EduVenture SG. So let's look at another interesting word problem on whole numbers. Let me read the question first. Mr. Tan has 36 farm animals. Some of them are cows and rest are chicken. If the total number of legs of farm animal is 102, are there more cows or chicken on Mr. Tan's farm? How many more? Okay, so the thing is Mr. Tan has a farm. Okay, so let's say this is my farm. There are some cows, some chicken. We don't know how many each of them. Okay, we don't know. Okay, but he had the total number is 36. We know that the total number of farm animals is 36. Okay, now we also know that the total number of legs of farm animals is 102. Okay, so the question is, are there more cows or chicken on Mr. Tan's farm? So first we have to find how many cows are there, how many chickens are there, then only we can tell which one is more and how many more. Okay, so lot of my students solve this using a guess and check method. It works, but the problem is it's quite time taking and it's tedious, quite tedious. Okay, so the better way to solve is using assumption method. Okay, so let's look at what's assumption method. Okay, so let's say this is so the name of the method is assumption method. So let me write it here. It's assumption method. So as the name tells you, right, as the name tells you, assumption method, we do make some assumption. Okay, we start the question with assuming something. Okay, so what I'm going to assume here is that let's assume all the farm animals are cows. Okay, so what's my assumption? Let's write it. You have to write it. Okay, so let's assume all the farm animals are cows. Okay, so if all the farm animals are cows, right, let's say if all of them are cows, how many legs would be there? What would be the total number of legs? So we all know that, right? Or of course we know that cows has how many legs? 4 legs, right? And how about the chicken? Chicken has 2 legs, right? So chicken has 2 legs, cows has 4 legs. Everybody knows it. So when we assume that all the farm animals are cows, that means all the 36 farm animals are cows. So what would be the total number of legs? Okay, so the total number of legs, will be how much? It will be 36 times 4, right? Because each cow has 4, so all the 36 cows will be having how many legs? 144, right? Now the problem is, not the problem, but the thing is that we are given that the total number of legs of farm animals is 102. Okay, 102. And yes, it makes sense also, because not all the animals are cows. Some of them are chicken, and chicken have only 2 legs, right? Chicken have only 2 legs, not 4 legs. So obviously our total number should be more than the actual total number of legs in the farm, right? Our assumed legs should be more than the actual total number of legs on the farm, because we have assumed all the animals are cows, and cows have 4 legs more than the chicken, right? Now let's find out what is the difference, how much more we are. Okay, how much more legs we have as compared to the actual number of legs on the farm. Okay, so the difference, we can write it as difference in the number of legs would be how much? 144 minus 102, right? 144 minus 102, that will give you 42 legs, right? That means we have 42 legs more than what are actually on the farms, right? What are actually on the farm. And then hence let's find out what is the difference in the number of legs of one cow and one chicken. So difference in the number of legs of one cow and one chicken. Why we are finding it? Because we have replaced each chicken with one cow, right? So because we have assumed all the farm animals are cows, so that means we have assumed all the chickens are cow. So we have to know what, because of this, for each chicken replaced with one cow, right, how many more number of legs we have counted, right? So we know that the cow have 4 legs and the chicken have 2 legs. So we have counted for each chicken which we have taken as a cow, which we have assumed as a cow, we have counted 2 more legs. Okay, 2 more legs. And what is the total number of legs we have counted more? 42, right? So that means if we divide 42 by 2, what will we get? We will get the number of chicken, right? We will get the number of chicken. So the number of chicken on the farm is actually equal to 42 divided by 2 is 21. Okay, so that's your number of chicken. Now how about the number of cows? Because since we know that the total number of farm animals is 36, so we can easily find out the number of cows, right? So number of cows is equal to 36 minus 21, that will give us 15. Okay, so we know that the number of chicken is 21, so number of cows is 15. Which is more? Obviously the number of chicken. Now how much more? Let's find the difference. Okay, so the difference is 21 minus 15, right? 15, that will give you 6, right? So we can write our answer in one go, right? There are 6 more chicken. There are 6 more chicken than cows, right? There are 6 more chicken than cows. So that's your answer. So I hope you like the method. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching. See you in the next video. Bye.